The story of the Honda Activa is one of trust, reliability, and evolution. When Honda first introduced this scooter, it wasn't just another two-wheeler on the road, it was the start of a movement. A movement that made daily travel simpler, safer, and smarter for millions of riders across the world. Today, the Activa remains one of the most loved scooters ever built, not because it's flashy, but because it always delivers exactly what people need. Every journey begins with a quiet start. The smooth hum of the Activa's refined engine greets you with confidence. It's not loud or aggressive, it's calm, dependable, and ready for whatever the day brings. Whether you're heading to work, picking up groceries, or just taking a quick spin across town, the Activa has your back. It's the kind of scooter that doesn't try to impress, it earns respect with every ride. Under the seat lies Honda's advanced 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine that blends power and efficiency like no other. It produces just the right amount of energy to glide through traffic, yet it sips fuel so lightly that your wallet barely feels it. The new 125cc engine delivers crisp acceleration, effortless cruising, and a level of smoothness that only Honda engineering can provide. It's tuned to perfection, powerful enough to take on city streets, yet gentle enough to make every ride feel comfortable. But performance isn't everything. What truly makes the Activa special is how it fits into people's lives. Its low, balanced stance makes it easy for anyone to handle, men, women, young riders, or seniors alike. The seat is broad and supportive, the footboard is spacious, and the controls feel natural from the moment you touch them. The Activa isn't designed for a specific kind of rider. It's designed for everyone. Honda has always believed that technology should make life easier, not more complicated. That's why the Activa comes with features that are useful, not gimmicky. The silent start system ensures the engine comes to life without a sound. The new digital analog instrument cluster shows you everything you need at a glance. A front glove box and a USB Type-C charging port keep your essentials close and your phone powered up. And the LED headlamp, with its wide beam, lights up even the darkest corners of your commute. Safety is built into every inch of this scooter. The combined braking system gives you balanced stopping power every time you pull the lever. The tubeless tires reduce the risk of sudden punctures. The sturdy metal body provides durability that plastic panels simply can't match. And if you opt for the Smart Key variant, you can unlock, start, and secure your scooter without even taking the key out of your pocket. It's modern convenience wrapped in Honda reliability. Looks matter too, and the Activa wears its style with quiet pride. Its design is clean and timeless. The chrome accents, the flowing lines, and the solid paint finish all come together to create a scooter that never goes out of fashion. It doesn't scream for attention, yet it turns heads everywhere it goes. It's elegance without exaggeration. What really makes the Activa legendary is the bond it shares with its riders. For many families, it's the first vehicle they ever owned. It's been part of countless first rides, college trips, and daily commutes. Generations have trusted it to start every morning without fail. Over the years, it's become more than a scooter, it's a companion that grows with you. Owning a Honda Activa means owning peace of mind. You don't worry about breakdowns, fuel bills, or parts. You just ride. Honda's vast service network and proven engineering mean your scooter stays as reliable on its 1,000th mile as it was on its first. In a world where trends come and go, the Honda Activa stands for something lasting: honesty, practicality, and joy in motion. It reminds us that the best machines aren't the ones that change the way we live overnight, but the ones that quietly make life better every single day. So when you twist the throttle and feel that familiar surge, remember this: you're not just riding a scooter. You're riding 2 decades of trust, innovation, and care, built by a company that understands what true mobility means. The Honda Activa isn't just transportation. It's freedom, reliability, and comfort, rolled into one timeless machine.